Thank you for choosing Clinical Connection for your patient recruitment needs. Let's get started by going through the sign-up process. Come up here to Patient Recruitment on the home page, and then Create Investigator Account. On this page, you'll be creating your study center account, so just enter your information here and click Submit. The next page that you're brought to after signing up is the study creation page. This is where you're going to be creating your very first listing. So you're going to start off by just including the study condition here, any keywords that are related to your study condition. The study protocol is not something that the end user will see. This is for you to keep track of your listing. The email address for referrals is the email address that you want the referral link to get sent to. This is similar, however, there's no link. This just serves as a notification that a referral was generated. In either case, you will need to log into your account in order to access the referrals. The study summary section is a brief overview of your study. The qualified participants must section is the inclusion-exclusion criteria. Qualified participants will receive is the compensation section. The study is available at section is just the address of the site location where the study is being hosted. If you don't want to include any of this information, you can check these boxes and remove it. Unchecking it would remove it. The phone number for patients to call is displayed after a patient submits their information on your study listing. They will have the option to call you if you choose to include a phone number. And this is just, again, the address information that will be displayed to the end user or the member that is looking to participate in your study. This section is information that's sent to us. If you have an end date in mind where you don't want to go over 30 days, for example, just enter the date here, and we'll add an expiration date for you automatically. Direct mail, this is just to receive a quote. If we have 300 people in your area that we have an address for that we can mail to, we'll send you a quote for those 300 people. This is where you're going to be selecting your pricing plan. On per referral, you have the option of standard, and it's got a description here, or premium, and the differences are highlighted in the drop-down menu. If you chose per study, that each package would be displayed and what is included in each. If you have a promotion code, you can enter it here and it'll automatically register. And now your study listing has come to us for review and will be uploaded shortly. You'll receive an email confirmation when that study is live. Once your study is live, it will look something like this. It'll include the summary section, the inclusion-exclusion section, and the compensation section if you choose to include it. Over here will be the address for your site, and here is the contact form that the potential participant will fill out if they're interested in participating. Once they've submitted their information to your site, this pop-up will display and will include your phone number so they can reach out to you. But they can only contact you via this phone number after they've submitted their information, where that information is then stored in your referral dashboard. So if you go to referrals, view referral, and then click on your study ID, you'll see their information right here. It'll include their email and their phone number. And that is all that there is to it. You can manage your studies right here. If you can add one right here. You can view your active studies right here. And anything that is still pending will show up in this folder as well. Anything that you end, any past studies, will display in the expired studies folder, and you will keep any and all referrals that you ever generate on Clinical Connection. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@clinicalconnection.com, or you can give us a call any day of the week, 9 to 5 Eastern Time at 1-800-887-0639. Thank you for listening.